Like everything that's blue, like the colors of my room. But almost every day, the sky is colored. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Blue by Boywithuke. This is my favorite song from his new album. I just love how it sounds acoustic. You could hear him sing and it sounds awesome. By the way, do you guys see him reveal his face? What do you guys think? Alright, so as usual, the first thing you want to do is grab your ukuleles. Make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. And we're going to put a capo on the 3rd fret. If you don't have a capo, you can put a pencil right here and put some tape or a rubber band around it to pull it tight on the string. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the chords. Alright, so there are 6 different chords to this song, but they're all fairly simple and fairly easy. So let's get right to them. We're going to start with an E minor, the staircase one, which is your pointer finger on the bottom string. I'm going to call this the 1st fret, 2nd fret, so on. So we're pretending this is the top of our ukulele. So pointer finger, 2nd fret of the bottom string, middle finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, ring finger, 2nd string, 4th fret. E minor. The next chord is a C major 7. So just take these fingers off and keep your pointer finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. The chord after that is a G, which is middle finger, bottom string of the 2nd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret. And the next chord, this is probably the hardest chord, is a B minor. You want to bar this 2nd fret and put your ring finger on the top string of the 4th fret. The chord after that is a C, which is just one finger on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. And the final chord of this song is a B minor 7, which is just barring the 2nd fret. So yeah, that's it. The verses and the chorus are different, so let's go ahead and show you guys a strumming pattern, and then we'll go through the chords for the verse, and then we'll go through the chords for the chorus. So yeah. Let's get to the strumming pattern. All right, so the strumming pattern for the song is a down, down, up, up, down, up. On the verse, you do it 4 times on each chord, and on the chorus, you do it 2 times on each chord. So the chords for the verse are E minor, C major 7, G, and B minor. 4 times on each chord, you do the down, down, up, down, up. For the chorus, you do down, down, up 2 times, and you start with C, then you go to G, then you go to B minor 7, then you go to E minor. So that's how it goes, guys. Now let's go ahead and try and sing a little bit of this song. I like everything that's blue, like the colors of my room. But almost every day, the sky is colored gray. I do the best that I can do. I love everything that's blue. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Blue by Boywithuke. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other songs you guys want. And go check out my vlogs. I do some skateboarding and some other things there. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.